In the vibrant world of Rainbow Haven, a trio of adventurous parrots, Ruby, Sapphire and Emerald, nested in a tree adorned with colourful feathers. Each parrot had a unique shade that matched their namesake Gemstone. A mysterious butterfly arrived, carrying a glittering message. The parrots, curious and excited, followed the fluttering messenger to an undiscovered part of Rainbow Haven. In this unexplored area, the parrots encountered gemstone guardians, wise creatures with sparkling gemstone feathers. The guardians shared tales of a legendary, lost treasure hidden deep within the Enchanted Forest. The parrots decided to embark on a quest to find the treasure. Animated scenes of their flight through the Enchanted Forest, featuring towering trees and magical creatures, added a sense of wonder to their journey. Their adventure led them to the whistling waterfall, where the water's melody enchanted the surroundings. The parrots, mesmerized, discovered that the waterfall held clues to the treasure's location. To reach the treasure, the parrots faced challenges on the echoing cliffside, where their distinct calls echoed. Animated as night fell, the parrots encountered a magical clearing illuminated by fireflies. A whimsical dance with the fireflies revealed a hidden path leading closer to the treasure. Under the moonlit sky, the parrots reached the moonlit mosaic, a dazzling area filled with sparkling gemstones. Animated scenes showcased the beauty of the mosaic and the parrots' awe-inspired reactions. The parrots found a starry perch atop a mystical tree. From this vantage point, they gazed at the starry sky, where constellations formed a map guiding them to the heart of the Enchanted Forest. In the heart of the forest, the parrots discovered the Enchanted Garden. Animated puzzles and riddles tested their intelligence and led them closer to the treasure's secret location. After overcoming the final challenge, the parrots unearthed the legendary treasure, a trove of rainbow-colored gemstones. The guardians appeared, revealing that the real treasure was the journey itself. With the treasure in tow, the parrots returned to Rainbow Haven. Animated scenes depicted their triumphant return as they shared their colourful tales with the other parrots, turning their nest into a symbol of unity and adventure.